Yes, now we are going to start with the data converters. Now, can you tell me what are the different types of data converters? Yes, Bhavita, can you tell me what are the different types of data converters?
Ma'am, digital to analog converter or analog to digital converter.
Yes, we have ADC, analog to digital converters, and DAC, digital to analog converters. We have two types of converters, analog to digital and digital to analog converters. So, if we have a, suppose we have an analog signal, this is your analog signal, and if I want to convert this analog signal, then I will into digital. So I will use analog to digital converter. कि in my input is analog but my output would be digital. So this is ADC. It is used to convert this analog signal. At the input I will apply analog signal, but at the output side I will get a digital bit stream like this. But if I, in case I want to convert a digital signal, my digital signal is always in the form of bits, in the form of 0 1 0 1 like this. So if I want to convert this digital data into analog, then I will use digital to analog converters. And output of my this digital to analog converters is an analog signal. So here, in this way, we have two types of data converters. Then, can you give me the example of where we are using the analog to digital converters and where we are using digital to analog converters?
मैम, हमारे जो सिग्नल्स, मतलब जो हमारा वॉइस सिग्नल है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ
Yes.
से भेजा तो दैट्स एनालॉग. अगर वो मान लो रिसीविंग एंड पे रिसीव होगा तो वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बिट्स डिकोड होगा.
Like which सबसे best example is yes, like whenever we are streaming the music on our smartphone, then this first we the digital bit stream is converted into the electrical signal, and then through the smartphone speaker we are able to hear the music. And in this we use digital to analog converters. In the smartphone you have a digital to analog converter that converts the digital bit stream into analog signal. Only then you are able to hear the music now, because like you are just streaming the music, but that the digital to analog converter inside your smartphone converts the digital bit stream into analog signal. Similarly, while talking on the phone, the microphone converts our voice into electrical signal. Like whatever I am speaking, that is analog. So the microphone converts our voice into the electrical signal. And using this analog to digital converter, the signal is digitized. We use analog to digital converter and the signal is digitized and is transmitted in the form of radio waves. And then at the receiver side, using the digital to analog converter, this received digital data is converted into the analog signal. बिकॉज हमें लाइक मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ दैट इज एनालॉग अपने फोन के ऊपर, बट ये ट्रांसफर किस फॉर्म में होगा? डिजिटल फॉर्म में.
डिजिटल फॉर्म में.
एंड जो रिसीवर साइड पे जिसको ऑडिबल होगा वो भी एनालॉग फॉर्म में ही ऑडिबल होगा. डिजिटल फॉर्म में आपको कुछ भी चीज सुनाई नहीं देती. सो द रिसीव्ड डाटा होता है दैट इज अगेन कन्वर्टेड इनटू द एनालॉग सिग्नल, एंड थ्रू द स्पीकर यू आर एबल टू हियर द वॉइस ऑफ द अदर पर्सन. So, like this, we use digital to analog converters in our day to day life. Is whatever you speak, like while talking on the phone, the that data is analog. So, first we use analog to digital converter so that we can transmit our data. To transmit our data, we convert it into digital form. And then at the receiving side, we use digital to analog converter so that आपका जो digital data है वो फिर से किस में convert हो जाए? Analog form में. and like through the speaker, then you hear the voice of the other person. So now tell me why we need these analog to digital converters and digital to analog converters. Why we need them?
मैम बिकॉज जो डिजिटल सिग्नल होते हैं उनकी
Yes.
एफिशिएंसी ज्यादा होती है। एनालॉग सिग्नल लाइक पॉसिबल नहीं है ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कराना ही पड़ता है।
Yes. So the most of the signals होते हैं, the most of the signals that are around you are analog in nature. You know, like temperature, pressure, sound, velocity. So they are analog in nature. So these analog signals, like if we have a pressure, and if I want to measure that pressure, first it is converted into electrical signal using a transducer. We also use transducers. आपके ट्रांसड्यूसर्स भी यूज होते हैं ना. व्हाई वी यूज ट्रांसड्यूसर्स? Transducers convert your analog signal into electrical signal. So we also convert our analog signals into digital. Why? Because your analog signals are susceptible to noise. Noise is there in case of analog signals, and analog signals are very difficult to process. If we want to process the analog signals, then they are very difficult to process and they are very difficult to store. Storage is difficult, processing of analog signals is difficult. That's why we convert analog signals into digital signals, and digital signals are less susceptible to noise, they are easy to process, and they can be easily stored. That's why for any communication the analog signals are converted into the digital signals. Like if आपके पास कोई analog signal है, so first we use digital to analog converters. Analog signal is converted into digital, and then again the digital signal is converted at the output, and again the digital signal is converted into analog. So this is the basics of digital to analog converters and analog to digital converters. So can you tell me what is quantization, sampling? You must have done these quantization, sampling,
यस मैम।
these terms. Yes, yes. Tell me what is a quantization?
मैम क्वांटाइजेशन मींस एक हम जब हमारा एनालॉग सिग्नल है उसकी मतलब हम हर
Yes,
एक बिट को हम जब इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिजिट्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं 0 1 में, तो
yes,
एक्चुअली
yes,
मुझे तो उसे
yes. It
क्वांटाई
is a
मतलब
quantization
उसका
is a
अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू।
process. Yes, it is quantization is your process of assigning a sampled signal a value from the discrete
यस
set of
मैम।
values.
यस वो डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज हर एक पॉइंट पे एक एक वैल्यू
Yes,
देना।
yes, like
दैट्स मीन।
this. Here, this is the quantization of a signal.
यस मैम।
Here, the signal is quantized. If you will see, the signal is quantized in 16 different levels. And that sampled signal is assigned the nearest value from these 16 levels. Because if we want to convert a signal from analog to digital, then we have to assign it some certain values, and this process is known as quantization. And then we have a resolution. So these are this is just a part of your basics. In this we have few terms. Then after that we have a resolution. Can you tell me what is the resolution of ADC? The resolution of a ADC decides that how the assigned value or quantized value is close to the actual value. How much the assigned value, the value that you have assigned, is close to the actual value.
यस मैम
And
वो हमारे हमारे
yes,
एनालॉग सिग्नल और क्वांटाइज्ड सिग्नल में जो डिफरेंस होता था।
yes, resolution is always defined in number of bits. It is defined in the number of bits. Like for a given analog to digital converters, if resolution is n bits, अगर resolution n bits है, then in a binary number system, the total number of discrete levels which can be defined is equal to 2 raised to power n. Is if for a given analog to digital converter the resolution is n bits, then in a binary number system the total number of discrete levels is equal to 2 raised to power n. Means input signal will get quantized into 2 raised to power n levels. And if I want to express this resolution in terms of voltage, then resolution is given as full scale voltage, full scale range FSR divided by 2 into number of bits, 2 raised to power number of bits. And it is also given as Vmax minus Vmin divided by 2 raised to power number of bits. FSR is the full scale voltage range, or it is the maximum voltage range. So if for a 3-bit analog to digital converter, if just tell me, is it properly visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, in if in 3-bit analog to digital converter, if FSR full scale range is 10 volts, then resolution की value क्या होगी? We can calculate the resolution using this formula. It is 10 divided by 2 raised to power number of bits. This is 3-bit analog to digital converter, so it is 10 divided by 2 raised to power 3. So in this way, we can calculate the resolution. So suppose if we have 8-bit analog to digital ADC, then in that case, if FSR is 10, तो resolution क्या होगी? 10 divided by 2 raised to power 8.
8.
So means by increasing the number of bits, so in this case आपकी जो resolution आएगी that is 39 millivolts and something like that. तो आपका जो graph होगा, I am showing you the see this here we have a graph. This graph shows you the transfer function of the 3-bit analog to digital converter. Means here you have an input, here you have analog data, and on the output side you are getting your digital data. Means for this value, for this analog input, this is your corresponding digital output. This straight line is for the ideal case. There this is the ideal transfer function, but मीन्स ये कब होगा? जब आपकी रेजोल्यूशन इनफाइनाइट होगी, तब आपका जो ट्रांसफर फंक्शन होगा दैट वुड बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. बट अदरवाइज आपका जो ये होगा ट्रांसफर फंक्शन दैट इज लाइक अ स्टेयर केस. सो दिस इट कॉरस्पॉन्ड्स टू 1 LSB. So in this case, this is your analog data and it is converted into digital. We will also discuss the various analog to digital converters. We have 3 types of analog to digital converters. One is dual slope, successive approximation, then parallel or flash analog to digital converter.